whip, body, whip, got it, yeah, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just straight?
Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a install video, and this install is sponsored by Wiggins here. So your item come in this beautiful red satin bag that you can use to store your wigs. I already opened this and cut the ear tabs off and added a elastic band. Your wig comes in this plastic bag right here. They also give you a gift of a wig cap, an edge brush, and some cute lashes. So the hair that I got is a 13x6 HD lace frontal, and I think I got loose wave instead of body wave. You guys know I'm always getting body wave here, so I opted for a different texture this time, and this is in the loose wave. This is how the frontal looks, and it's a 13x6, and this is how inside looks. It comes with 2 combs in the back, adjustable strap, and also 2 comb in the front portion. I'm actually gonna cut these combs out from the front. They tend to give me a headache, and I already attached a wig band under here, so I'm going to be good as far as fit is concerned. So all I'm doing is sliding the wig on my head. You can use a wig cap if you choose to, but I'm not really a wig cap girly. I rather have my hair breathe underneath my wigs.
All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue.
One thing with me don't make a thing bother me. I used to make stuff bother me, but I'm getting to the bag, baby. The hair curl pattern actually looks really good. I was gonna curl it, but now since I've seen it, it's giving. I'm going to cut the brow portion, cut this in 3 sections. So the middle part and the 2 side tabs. So I'm gonna use the Ebin Wonder adhesive spray, and this is extreme firm hold. This is what I've been using. I've been loving it, and baby, once you use this wig is gonna stay. It's gonna last. A lot of people say this don't work for them. I would suggest spraying the adhesive underneath the lace instead of on top of the lace. If you spray it on top of the lace, this is not going to work for you, honey. All I'm doing is adding a second layer of Ebin lace spray, and then I'm holding my head back because I really don't want the adhesive running down on my skin or on my face. I like it to stay in place at my hairline, and I'm fanning it with this with this wig cap, or you can use a blow dryer. I would normally use a blow dryer, but I didn't want the loud noise, so you can just wait on it to get tacky. Then you pull the lace down and you're going to attach that to your hairline by using a comb and pressing that here into the glue. And then you're going to do the same thing for the two side tabs.
I've been through some shit, man, but I be on my shit, man. I decided that what you give is what you're giving, so I've been trying to do it right. I've been doing like whatever gets me through the night. What a life. I'm steady, always on the go. You steady, always on the go. We steady losing all control. What a life. What a life.
Cut the lace off in a zigzag pattern as much as I could. And I'm gonna stop rambling because I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory and you guys can see what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna go in with the Fantasia Liquid Mousse Super Hold Spritz Hairspray. I'm just gonna spray it on my fingers and rub it on the edges of it.
What a life. What a life. They say the truth ain't pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold.
I'm gonna tie this down.
Then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a life.
So while that is setting in place, I'm gonna, don't know if I want to do a middle part or a side part. I've been wearing a lot of middle part lately, so in my wigs, so I'm gonna do a side part. And if you guys don't know, your girl favorite part is a side part. So all I'm doing here is using my hot comb to really get that part area to lay flat as possible. So I define my part with a little bit of foundation so it looks good. And this is how the hair looks with a little bit of mousse on it. I think it looks great. You know, you guys know I'm no baby hair type of girl. I'm trying to perfect the baby hair thing. It's just not my thing, darling, and I'm not forcing it. But overall, the wig looks good. The lace line looks very natural. It's easy to install. The curls are beautiful. And that's it with this installation. Thank you to Wiggins for sponsoring today's content and paying your girls' bills. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.